Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up.
Dad, what the heck? I am trying to sleep.
Caillou, how dare you talk back? That's it. You are eating Sour Patch Kids cereal.
Dad, this cereal sounds so gross.
Too bad, because you talked back you have to eat it.
That was so freaking gross.
There are consequences for your actions. Now go brush your teeth and go to school.
School is so boring, so I will sneak a monkey to school. Ha 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 ha. Hey monkey, you will go to school with me, okay?
Okay. I will hop on your shoulder and pretend to be a toy or something.
Let's go to school now. Ha 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 ha.
Okay class, today we will learn how to do long division.
But I don't like math.
Wario, stop complaining about today's lesson.
Miss Martin, I'm not doing this stupid math anymore. I'm tired of it.
Wario, how dare you complain and whine about today's math lesson? That's it, go to the principal's office now.
Why?
Anyways class, we will learn about long division now.
I don't want to do long division.
Shut up you stupid monkey, I told you not to talk.
You never told me to be quiet, idiot.
Caillou, go to the principal's office now.
Wait a minute, there is nobody in here, I guess I will just leave.
Caillou, how dare you sneak a monkey to school? That's it. You are grounded for 9543683456789098556784560 trillion years. Go to your room now.